Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, we're using these 3 green shades and that deep blue. And first we're starting out with that deep blue and placing it directly into our crease. After we do that, we're taking the next darker green shade, I can't remember the name of it, and we're just buffing that right on the outer edge. And right here, I'm just going back in that deeper shade, the dark blue, just kind of making it a little bit more darker. After that, I take the second lightest green and I just buff that into the outer edge, and then I take the very lightest green and I'm putting that right on the outer edge of the darker green. So basically what you're doing is you're going in order from darkest to lightest and just keep blending on the outer edge. I hope that makes sense. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia eyeshadow primer, and I am carving out my lid, making sort of a C shaping. And now I'm just taking the deeper green and that blue shade, and I'm packing that right on the outer edge of my cut crease. Okay, so I clearly suck, but I am taking this peachy coral shade that is in the Juvia's Place Magic Palette. It starts with a Z. I don't know what the name is. I can't remember, but I'm so sorry. But that's the color I used. After doing that, I am using the Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Dollish, and I'm putting that all over the lid. Now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place, and I am placing this all over my face. You know, a little bit goes a long way, so be very generous on how much you use. And yes, I am still blending because we don't want no streaks. So now I'm taking my Juvia's Place concealer and I'm placing this underneath my eye, on my forehead, the bridge of the nose. And I just blend that out with my beauty blender. Now to set the concealer and all over my face, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the banana shade, I believe. Now to contour. Oh boy, the contour. Y'all know I love this palette. It's the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I mix those 2 brown shades together because the first one's a little light, the second one's a little too dark, and I just put that all over. For highlight, I'm using the Master Chrome and the Molten Peach. I love this when I'm doing more pink shade eyeshadows or more pinky looks, just because it looks super nice. Alright, so for my lips, I am using my MAC Cork lip liner. You guys should already know that I absolutely love this thing, and it's going with me to the grave. And for my lipstick, I'm using the Ruby Kisses Brown Sugar matte lipstick, and I am topping that with the LA Girl glossy topper. Here I am just adding a little accent with the neon eyeshadows. It's like a corally peachy shade, and I'm just popping that in my waterline. Alright guys, so this was my finished look. I'm over here feeling myself, looking in the mirror like, oh, looky there, that's a bad bitch. Anyways, I do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and comment down below what you think. Send me some tulip emojis because that's the vibes I was kind of going for. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.